First grade, today you're getting back your rabbit. You have a pencil, scissors, glue, Sharpies, a blue paper, and a green strip. You are going to put your name on your blue paper with a 1 and your teacher's initial. Then you are going to start cutting out your rabbit the best you can. All of these scraps are going to go in the recycle bin. What we're going to do is make your bunny look like he's popping out of the grass in a garden of flowers. So after you have all of this cut out, the next thing that you're going to do is make your grass. So grass is going to be cutting down but not all the way. Strip after strip, don't cut it apart. If you end up cutting it apart, I will help you. You just have to glue it down in pieces. It won't be a big deal, but you want to try to leave space at the bottom so it stays together. Like so. When you glue your rabbit, his ears are going to stick up out off the paper, so you don't put glue on the backs of his ears. The first thing we're going to do is actually glue on the grass, and you're just going to put glue along the bottom. So you're going to open your glue till it breathes. You're going to touch your tip of glue to the paper and do a very thin line just at the bottom. So I didn't put it on the grass because I don't want to glue the grass around. I want the grass to move. So then I'm going to take and line this up with the bottom of the page. And there is only glue here. Then I'm going to put glue on my rabbit's head and his neck, touching the glue to the paper and sliding him in. He can go in the middle, he can go off to the side. You want him just peeking out from the grass. His ears, I put him in first, and then I'm going to pull them back so I can see how far I need to put the glue. I don't want the glue oozing all out. I can put it all the way up to here. So if I hold it right here, I know I can glue everywhere below and stick that down. Now I have my rabbit sticking out of the grass, and I'm going to draw some flowers. So when you're drawing flowers, you can do it in pencil first. And you are going to have a couple different things to look at your table of how to draw flowers or what to look at, but you can kind of do your own versions. Draw them in pencil first if you want. Nice and big will be lots of fun. Stems, leaves, and then once you have them drawn out, you can use Sharpies today to color them in. You can make sure that you're keeping track of the cap. Best way to do that is to put it on the back side when you're using it. Coloring nice and neat. Make sure you're not coloring on yourself. Keep the Sharpie off of the table. That can stain the table. You want to be really careful as you do this. Do a nice, neat job over your pencil lines, coloring things in nice and neat. So your bunny is bouncing out from the grass in the gardens. You're coloring nice and slow, doing a good job. All right, when these are done, you're going to put them on the drying rack. You're going to make sure all the caps belong where they were at the beginning of class. Put them on your Sharpie backside, and when we clean up, you want to snap that cap to make sure that the Sharpies don't dry out. All right, thank you so much for listening. Let's make bunnies in gardens.